Hey, it's Michael Cruz, and let me ask you, do you want to start making money online? Well, if this is the case, in this video I'm going to share with you not only what you need to start making money online, but how to do it on complete autopilot. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, because what I'm going to share with you is pretty much the same method that I have been using for a while now that has really given me results online, and it just keeps working over and over again. So I'm super excited to share this information with you. So please don't go anywhere, and if you stay all the way to the end of the video, I'm going to share with you what's my #1 recommendation to start making a full-time income online and how you can do it on complete autopilot. So stay tuned. Okay, so basically there are going to be three main things that you're going to need to make money online. And I always share with this in other videos, but if you're new to this channel, I want you to get this pretty much recorded into your brain. So write it down, take some notes, because this is exactly what you need to make money online. And really, if you're looking to making six figures, or you're looking to really starting a profitable business online, this is exactly what you're going to need. So I was the guy that used to be going from hotel to hotel and pretty much chasing people and things like that. But once I discovered these three components, I no longer need to do that. I actually have people look me up and find me on the internet, because what I offer actually is a solution that they're looking for, right? So people that have problems come to my website, or they find me on the internet, and guess what? They find their solution, which is way easier and way better than having to chase people that are not even interested in what you're offering, right? So these are the three things. You're going to need a quality product or service to offer, something that solves a problem. You're going to need an effective and efficient system that does the telling and selling on your behalf. That's what we're going to focus on today. And then you're going to need to learn how to drive traffic, right? So traffic is pretty much eyeballs, people hanging out on the internet, looking for solutions to their problems, all right? So that's pretty much what you're going to need. Once you have that in place, guess what? You're going to start making money on autopilot. So the second part right here is exactly what's going to allow you to do, to make money online while you sleep, while you're on vacation, while you're spending time with your significant other, etc. You need this in place. So this system here is what's gonna give you that money, and help you earn money while you're on vacation, right? While you sleep. So it's basically what's gonna give you the ability to earn money on complete autopilot. Now, I know in a previous video, which I'm gonna put the link to it below, I actually explained that you're gonna need traffic, right? And traffic is eyeballs, and I actually gave you the two type of traffics, right? That exists. So there's two type of traffics, and I'm not gonna go into details in this video because I explained it really clear on that short video. I'm gonna leave in the description. And basically, so traffic is going to be like the fuel to your business. You don't have traffic, then you don't make money, you don't make sales. So it's really important that you understand how to drive traffic into like a landing page, into the system. So let's get to it very quick. So this is what an effective system looks like, and it's also called an online business funnel, right? So you're going to need traffic. Again, eyeballs coming from Facebook, coming from Google, coming from different locations where people hang out, and there's going to be people that are searching for solutions, right? So then you're going to need something called a squeeze page, which is like where you're going to send your traffic to. That's a landing page. And then you're going to need, have them access the product or whatever the solution that you're offering. Now, once you have these three things in place, you're going to be able to pretty much make money on complete autopilot, just like I've been doing, and many of people are doing online, and they're basically killing it. So I want you to get this information because I want you to succeed, and my goal is to help as many people as I can make a difference in their life, just like I have made a difference in my life, and I keep making a difference in my life every single day. So I hope you get a lot of value from this. So this is exactly what you need. And as I said previously, if you want to know what is my #1 recommendation for making a full-time income online and pretty much doing it on autopilot, like, you can have all these three things in place already done for you. You can have the right training. So as I said, you need to learn this right here, learn to drive traffic into a system. So once you have the system in place, then you have to go out and and dry traffic. That's all you need. That's 10% of the work. The system's going to do 90%. The 10% is basically you driving traffic, driving visitors into a landing page where these visitors are going to look, they're going to find, the solution that they're looking for. So you want to be able to make money online on Complete Autopilot. I invite you to click that first link below this video, get access to that information, and simply get started. All right, other than that, thank you for tuning in. Leave me your comments if you got value from this video, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, take care.